Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a critical issue that affects our planet: environment pollution. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more of such content. Pollution is the introduction of pollutants into the environment, which can harm living organisms, ecosystems, and human health. Three major types of pollution cause the most harm to our environment: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution results from the release of harmful substances into the air, including carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. These pollutants, when released into the atmosphere, contribute to global warming, smog, and acid rain. Increased air pollution has been linked to a variety of health issues, such as respiratory problems, heart disease, and even cancer. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances such as chemicals, sewage, and oil spills contaminate our rivers, lakes, and oceans. This pollution can lead to the death of aquatic life, an unhealthy environment for humans and animals, and even the contamination of food sources. Water pollution can also cause a loss of agricultural land and harm wildlife if not addressed promptly. Land pollution occurs when harmful substances such as industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and deforestation contaminate the soil and natural landscapes. Land pollution can lead to the loss of biodiversity, soil fertility, and the degradation of natural habitats. It can also cause air and water pollution as harmful substances seep into the environment. To combat environmental pollution, we must take steps to reduce its causes and minimize its impact. These steps include reducing energy consumption, using sustainable transportation systems, reducing deforestation, and recycling waste properly. By working together, we can protect our environment and ensure a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations.